Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play 3 players on Rocket League, easy method. Start by creating a private match and adding 3 players to the lobby, either locally or online. Choose casual settings and simple mutators to keep play balanced. Make sure each player assigns a controller and confirms input before starting. Use short warm-up rounds to test camera and controls. Rotate play order every few games to keep everyone engaged and having fun. In this video, I will explain how to play 3 players on Rocket League easy method. Make controller bindings consistent across players and check boost, jump, and power slide layout. Adjust camera FOV slightly wider to help everyone track the ball during crowded plays. Reduce camera stiffness, a touch to smooth aerial tracking for newer players. Test settings in a quick warm-up to confirm comfort. Small tweaks make 3-player matches flow much better and feel more fair. In this video, I will review how to play 3 players on Rocket League, easy method. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth for a thoughtful, easy read that can change how you think about money and free up focus for gaming. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more content. Check the description for the book link and extra deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to play 3 players on Rocket League easy method. Assign simple roles: attacker, midfielder, and defender to reduce confusion during fast plays. Rotate roles frequently, such as every 5 minutes or after a goal, so everyone tries each position. Use clear voice calls like "I got it" and centering to prevent double commits. Keep signals short and positive to encourage teamwork and maintain a friendly, competitive vibe throughout matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.